Started cleaning up the area under the back window here, and first touch with the Whizzy wheel finds it's much worse than it looked. Goes right over to that corner. Ugh, not good at all, and I haven't done this side yet. It's probably going to be just as bad. Let's see what happens. Left side not as bad, but weak spots and grotting down the left edge. Yeah, skimmer filler you might say, but I'm going to do it properly. Easy to see why it's ended up at a scrapyard. Pretty bad, eh? But we press on. I have to get the bumper off to explore these corners which are missing. And so the fuel is still dripping from what the scrapyard did to the fuel tank. Thanks guys. So it's like a sort of a molasses, and I bet it isn't very petrol-y. How volatile is this shit? Let's see. Nothing. Look at that. Does not burn. Yay. Gotta get worse before it gets better, eh?